So I printed out the 33-page PDF of the assembly instructions, and I think what I'm going to do is we'll put this together, each step that they have it in the PDF file. So what we have is 8 M5 25 screws and a 4mm Allen wrench. We're going to use 4 of the extrusions. There was 2 of them in the original packing list number 3 box, and there was 2 in the number 1 assembly. There was 1 rail on each side there. There was a rail on each side there. So we got our 4 rails. We have our frame pulled out. We're going to work on actually this side here on the assembly. These are the furthest cuts in from the edge. Those ones are out to the side. These ones are set in a little further. These 2 screws are going to go into the end of the extrusion. And these rails have a notch for the bolt head, so those are going to face outward on each assembly here. So let me get that put together. We're just basically going to stand this up, put the 4 screws in. Okay, so we got that finished. Basically just 2 screws go into the extruding, and like I said, you have the slight notch for the bolt head, which is going to face outward. Here's the other one, and that one was done the same way. Now we're going to put on the other. So that's done. I'm going to put on the other 2 railings. Pay attention to the direction of the aluminum profile. The orifice is outward. And that's what we did. And now I'm going to pause this again, and we're going to do the top rails. This is what we got now, is the bottom set. The closest, the furthest from the edge rails are on. Next set we're going to do, they're closer to the edge. Let's get that done. So just like in the picture, we're finalizing the 4 parts of the frame assembly here. I'm not cranking these down too much. I'm just going to do a loose assembly now, and once I get everything squared up a little bit and more assembled, we'll tighten these up more. I just get this thing set up here. And the next part we're going to go into is the control box. So I'm going to put that on a different video. For number 40 X4 and the 3mm Allen. The control box, the frame we have done. So let me get this done, get these parts ready, and then we'll roll over to video number 2.